Spitfire weapon. The 109 was built with a German way of thinking instead of a British way of thinking for the Spitfire. And the 109 is the one behind with the yellow nose, while the other one with the red nose is a Curtiss P-40. 109s and P-40s were on their own. For instance, one of them became very legend and was killed down there in the desert. His name was Marseille. Marseille was, if you take into account for comparison purpose, you take the way of counting the air victories of a pilot against the enemy. Marseille was in the 200th kills, while the best Western or European or American pilots were in the 30s or 40 kills. Marseille was, like most of the German aces, Marseille was not an easy aircraft to land mostly, and more were lost during landing accidents than during air combats. Because of the architecture of the aircraft, the landing gear was bolted to the fuselage instead of the wings. And thus, the landing gear legs were quite long, and during landing, it was a very squirrely aircraft. And many pilots lost their lives with losing their aircraft, literally, while landing, or taking off, which is worse. And as they were using these aircraft on very primitive runways, from time to time they were even using just sandy places in the desert or in Russia during with time incorporated into what today we call Airbus, which is a conglomerate of most of the old and very experienced aeronautical companies in Europe, Germany. The 109 has, just like the Spitfire, it has an aura of its own. Here it is. Followed and chased by the P-40, reenacting something seen daily during the war in the desert between North Africa and Egypt.